Okay, so you've asked about how to change the size of the different sections on your page, and it's all just this click and adjust kind of editing. So this bigger thing here, I can't make it. Well, I guess I can. Yeah, no, I can't make it smaller right now because there's content up there. So, I can only expand that or make it bigger. But at the same time, as I decide that I want to delete content from the template, which is really like, where you start to build your own thing, is where, things start to kind of sort of snap to, so you could put a header here and then you've got all this just like blank space that you can play with, and the more that you put in there, the further you can expand that. So here, you could say they had this was a portfolio kind of thing. So we could just say that that's like where we want to have our, website title up here in this area that it has blocked off, and that might be the only thing that we put there. And then we could add another block where we say like, okay, so they have these like decorative strips that you can add, but let's say that we want to add like video. Let's say we want it to be from YouTube. We can add that element. And then let's say we wanted to, you can embed code if you know how to write code. I do that, sometimes a little bit. But yeah, they have all these different things that you can do. Buttons, image, strips, decorative things. But really, like, if you wanted to put a menu on this page, you could do that. If you wanted to put a contact thing on, you could. They have some of these like interactive kind of boxes that you could use, but I think that's really sort of like less to our point. You could include your socials if you wanted. I think mostly because we're writing blogs, once you start your blog, you'll be able to put content from your blog onto your homepage too. So that's what I would say. It's the sizes of things is just the click and drag, and you can do that with the smaller pieces that are within your page if you want to do that. But this bigger kind of chunk here, other than at the header and the footer, where you can move things up only as far as there's content and down pretty much as far as you want. This middle section, you don't really control the sizes of the things in it so much as you control the size of the section itself based on what kind of content you would want to put in this space. So that's probably the best way that I could answer your question. I hope it's helpful. If you've got more questions, just include them in the thread here. Ask them below. But yeah.